Long time no see! Welcome back! What did you most love about my videos? The miniatures. What I have been providing to you? Nonsense! So today it's time for a miniature video. I know you love it. I will be sharing very interesting facts about each of the individual tiny little components of this fancy little cute lantern miniature. So I really hope you'll be enjoying that. Did you know that pumpkins are used as bioindicators in environmental science to detect whether the soil is in perfect health? Because pumpkins turn out to be very sensitive to soil and water. Did you know that in Romania there's a phenomenon, geological phenomenon, which claims that some rocks called truvans are expanding. They're building new layers, which is based on the minerals from the rain, and they actually absorb those minerals and create new layers above them, which makes them seem like they're growing. Wow, wow! Did you know that in Celtic culture, cauldrons were believed to be magical and often associated with rebirth and endless nourishment? The most famous cauldron of plenty, a legendary vessel said to provide unending supply of food. In myth, it could revive a fallen warrior, symbolizing the cycle of death and regeneration. You know, if you put some salt in the coffee, it actually makes it taste better. I don't like that. Chemical vessels. The first true chemical glassware, like flasks and beakers, emerged from the Islamic Golden Age, 8th to 14th centuries. Arab chemists such as Jabir ibn Hayyan, also known as the father of chemistry, advanced glassmaking techniques. They created intricate vessels that could withstand high temperatures and corrosive substances, which actually were essential for conducting safe experiments. This combination of artistry and science laid the groundwork of modern chemistry, allowing for precise measurements and reactions that are still used today. Did you know that underground there is a system called Wood Wide Web? This is a system of roots actually communicating with each other. So yeah, as they spread those chemicals in between, they're actually the more experienced and big trees are warning the smaller ones which are about to grow somewhere there in the non-healthy spot in the soil. Yeah, they are warning them that this spot right there is not healthy, so they should not grow as big, or maybe they should tilt a bit if they're on a cliff or something. Wow! So excited for this one. Did you know that the smell of old books that some of us actually adore, oh, it feels so great, is actually coming from a chemical which is called vanillin, as we all know from the vanilla shushulki. Sorry, I meant vanilla beans. Did you know that in media, often the figures of ghosts are portrayed in a sort of funny way, clumsy or cute? That's because that way, for us humans, appears more normal to look for the topic of death. So papyrus. Fact about papyrus is that it was used in a form of sort of a currency in ancient Egypt. In some cases it was exchanged for goods and services, especially when it came to trade and administrative transactions. Papyrus was so valuable that large scrolls could be considered a form of wealth. I have the biggest papyrus. I'm wealthy. I actually have papyrus. Friends of mine gave it to me. They went to Egypt. I love this sound. So how wealthy do you actually think this papyrus makes me? I need you to subscribe for me. I'm wealthy, there you go. Did you know that apples, they contain amygdalin, which can release cyanide when metabolized in your stomach? Yes, the seeds actually contain that. Don't eat them. Please. Please. Apples are actually some sort of related to roses. Yeah, they are cousins in a botanical world. And my favorite fact for today, did you know that amethysts found in nature primarily as the color of violet or purple can actually be converted into yellow or even become colorless? And that's because when heated to high temperatures, it causes transformations which can lead to alternation of the iron ions, which result in the color changing. Wow! And it's sometimes used to fabricate citrine. I bet you didn't know that.